How to enter BIOS on a Lenovo PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to boot up into the BIOS on your Lenovo computer running Windows 10 or Windows 11. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's actually really easy to enter BIOS on a Lenovo computer. All we need to do is first hold the Shift button down, and then if you're logged into your computer, go down to the Windows Start button, select the little power icon. You can also do this from the lock screen by just selecting the power icon and select Restart. Make sure you hold the Shift button while your computer is rebooting. Do not let go of it until your screen turns blue. Keep holding it. You'll see please wait. Keep holding it. And then it'll get into recovery mode. You can let go of the Shift button, go down, select troubleshoot, then select advanced options. From there, we want to select UEFI firmware settings and go ahead and select restart once you've gotten to the firmware settings. So now it's going to reboot, and when it boots up, it'll be in BIOS. So now we're in my Lenovo Legion 5's BIOS. Your BIOS may look different if you have a different Lenovo, but you can go in here, you can change the boot manager, different aspects of your computer in the BIOS. If you want to exit, just go up to the top right, select exit, and then it will reboot and you'll be out of the BIOS on your Lenovo PC or laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.